We go to a primetime news follow-up now. Some security guards at KFC outlets have been left mentally drained. Now, this follows yesterday's chicken frenzy as scores of Jamaicans turned up at KFC locations across the country to benefit from the company's 50th anniversary giveaway. Romardo Lyons has our story.
A lot of videos like this surfaced online Wednesday, but customers weren't the only ones balancing. KFC employees were balancing the job and their mental well-being. Here, the products contain a reminder, a work at the center of a group of people eager for chicken. It wasn't a one-off case. Another here, outside another location. But security guards faced a different kind of stress.
If KFC says they'll extend this promotion one more day, you're not come work?
No, on God, I'm not come work.
We'll call him Guard 1. This was 9:38 p.m. Wednesday. He thought sundown would bring complete relief, but this was the drive-through then, stretching from the roadway to the actual property, over 25 vehicles. He said his shift started 7 a.m. Wednesday. At that time,
well, the drive-through was already full crazy. People there from the night before. Some came here 5:30 in the morning when we had talked to them. Yeah, the place is already full from when I come here in the morning. Door full, line it already out there and everything. Never seen anything like this before. It's crazy.
As it approached 8, 9, 10, what was the experience?
The store normally open at 10, but by 9:30 the glass on the door and everything broke off already. Them running, power brawling as a security guard, and some of them run down and back until them press panic button, call police and hawker and thing, you see me?
he says when they discovered that he was unarmed, they got physical.
Get him out of the way, push me again one side and then barge in. You see me, broke the glass and everything like that, you see. I never seen nothing like this before. Just kind of still up and eat. I mean, I really eat now from mine, but as I say, we have to just do it and just normally. The crowd though, very dangerous crowd. What if I shout in an expletive language they have to use and think, my voice just a come back. Just a come back. Voice gone from morning to me. I feel try to control the crowd, get them out, line them up or whatever. That never did that work. You see me, not even the police them there listen.
Everyone expected a large crowd, but would you say that this exceeded the expectations?
Yes, we did expect a large crowd, but as we say, more than exceeding expectations. Never, ever, ever before from the band. Never see this before. Crazy. People them crazy. Man them pull up, give a chicken.
Another guard, who we'll call Guard 2, said despite the violence levied towards them, they tried their utmost best to keep it professional.
Time to time we have to get law enforcement involved because the crowd get out of hand. Not that we're afraid, but we don't have that power to monitor the crowd.
He said there were specific moments that left him wondering if it was that serious.
Fights, non-stop fights. That was one of the biggest problems, but otherwise the day was a great day.
One customer at a Kingston location had this suggestion Wednesday.
I think probably barring one side of the entrance would help to manage the crowd.
But Guard 2 said that wouldn't work at his location.
You have to have wide access because the people keep pushing. So you have to have a getaway.
Now with scenes like these, pecking order disrupted as an actual police in uniform clash with a citizen. The big six here in a tussle, and the youngsters being battered here outside another location while waiting for chicken. Questions are now being asked about planning and preparation around the promotion event. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.